Arrive in style with this GMC 2022 Sierra 3500 HD AT4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 4 SD, 3.73 rear axle ratio, 3.42 rear axle ratio, 18 machined aluminum wheels, 20 machined aluminum wheels, front bucket seats, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and not equipped with heated steering wheel, disc. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.